What's good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Hey guys, just shooting this video, watching the NFL Pro Bowl here, and I wanted to kind of shoot a video just to kind of show you that everything is still running with Power Mining Pool. What I'm still doing. Not telling you by any means this is something that you need to be doing or anything like that. Just letting you know exactly what I'm doing here and what's been kind of generating me some income daily here. Pretty much every 3 hours. I'm sorry. So every 3 hours, pretty much, guys, I get paid with this company here. And what they do is they actually mine 7 cryptocurrencies for me. And pretty much I get paid in those cryptocurrencies each every 3 hours. So the more shares that you have, the more potential that you have earning with this particular business there. Now I have shared videos, a previous video just kind of showing you the potential and the money that you can make here. So I'm not gonna kind of read this word for word because I shot a video last about this. But as you can see here on the screen, this is the potential income that you can make with this company just from purchasing different shares with the company here. Not saying that this is something that you need to do, but this is how the company works, and this is what I'm doing here. So you know, just kind of these are some examples that I'm gonna kind of just leave up here right now. I'm not gonna go through all of them, but if you want to pause the video or you know just kind of go over it, you definitely can. But just to kind of save some time, guys, like I said, I don't want to go over something I've already done. But you can see the potential that you can make with the shares, okay? And also with the income levels as well. Now, a lot of people, they don't like to recruit. They don't like anything like that. But I want to be honest with you. I'm a recruiter. You know what I'm saying? I come from network marketing. I come from the MLM side. So recruiting is not a problem. It's not an issue with me. There's a lot of people out here that don't like recruiting and they hate it. And then they'll go after a lot of people like me in this particular space. But it's all good because, like I said, I come from the MLM world. Don't hate me because I know what I'm doing, and don't hate me because I know how to do it. And if you would like to learn how to do it, I have things in place to show you how to do it as well. So, as I was going on, but I wanted to kind of, I don't want to go and toggle through this so much because my computer's running a little slow here, but I wanted to kind of show you the compensation plan that they have in place here. So they mine 7 different cryptocurrencies on your behalf, and they do this 24/7, guys. So this never stops here, and they pay you in euro. So that's the it's a euro value that they pay you in. I mean, that's pretty much what they're saying when they're saying 50 euros to actually start for each share. So is Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out? That's the good thing. So if Bitcoin is going up, that's you're gonna eat. Okay. Now you can profit from 8 income streams because those are the 7 cryptocurrencies, and then through the exchange to the Bitcoin side of it, that is another currency. So pretty much you're getting, I mean, another form of income. So that's why they say it's 8 streams of income. So every share you purchase will earn you eventually $70, which is 70 euros, pretty much is what they're gonna pay you back. So that's what each share is gonna earn you. Now, as I was kind of going in regarding the affiliate side. So this is what I mean on the affiliate side, to where, you know, if you can bring people in, these are percentages that you're gonna earn whenever someone joins you in the business. And I'm sorry, not whenever someone joins you, but if someone was to purchase a share, the company does pay you on their behalf as far as a percentage for just recruiting. And like I said, you don't have to, but you can. I like to recruit because I'm a recruiter. You slowly want to do this on your own, you definitely can. But this is what I do, okay? So I just wanted to kind of show you guys some progress on that. Again, I am at another withdrawal level. So each withdrawal level pretty much is $50 is what they moved it up to. It used to be 20, but now it's actually considered as 50 euros. So that is what where I'm at now. So I can do another one, or I can purchase another share. It's totally up to me. I got $58 available. So if I wanted to, I could just go and do a withdrawal on it. I've done 3 withdrawals. I mean, you know, 3 withdrawals on the system already. But I can definitely do, you know, whatever it is. So I'm just kind of showing you guys what I'm doing with this here on that end with Power Mining Pool on that deal. A lot of other things fell through. BitConnect is now disconnect. I mean, they still popping and moving, you know, like I said, with the coins. I'm just holding the coins, man. Just seeing if they go back up. I looked at that money as lost, Anyway, when you're joining in these type of deals, man, you always got to look at it as that you can lose money in these type of business and these type of programs. So that's one thing that I looked at. So if the coin goes back up, cool. But if not, oh well, I'm just gonna hold the coin. It is what it is. At the end of the day, boom. I had a lot of things that fell down, so this is what's rolling for me. So this is what I'm doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, guys, just to let you know we're still popping. People have been writing me saying, "Hey, is it still going? You still doing it?" Yes, I am. So it hasn't stopped. So I'm definitely gonna be still utilizing this until the wheels fall off. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. All right. So this your boy Jay. I'm out. You guys have a beautiful and blessed Sunday. Peace.